Hello guys, welcome to Technical Gig. So today in this video I am going to show you how can you resize any image. If you have any doubt regarding this, then you can easily read my blog link given in the description box. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. So as we all know that in today's modern gadget, taking photo has become easy, that having hundreds of images in storage is not a particularly strange or uncommon thing. Storage does become a problem through as the better camera quality gets, the larger the photo file size. Resizing is not just cropping an image, it can also mean the manipulation of pixels to reduce the file size. If you are trying to send a lot of picture to another person but the file size is too large, you need to condense the photo to send it. This is where resizing image comes in handy. So how can you easily resize any image online? So simply open your Chrome browser and type resize pixel.com. Simply click on enter. Then this is the site from where we can easily resize any image. So simply this is our front view of that website. Simply click on upload image and select the image which you are going to resize. Simply click on it and click on open. So this is the image. So I need to compress it to make it 500 KB. So simply click on compress. So your file is reduced by 24%, and this its original size is 625. Now after compressing it is reduced to 473.85 KB. So this is our new compressed image, resize image. So we need to download it. So simply click on here, go to download and wait for a second. Download will start soon. So simply click on download image and here the image is downloaded. So this is our new resized image. In this way you can easily resize any image in any size. So this much for today. Keep supporting.